Very, very important question. Very, very important question. If a number n is represented as 2 power a into 3b, number is represented as 2 power a into 3b. So factors for n will be 2 and 3 are prime number 0 to a plus 1, 0 to b plus 1. And this number has got how many factors? 10 factors. Okay. If a number is represented as 2 power a into 3b, number of factors will be 0 to a plus 1, 0 to b plus 1. Number has 10 factors. Now 2n will be 2 power a plus 1 into 3 power b. 2n has 2 factors, 0 to a plus 1, a plus 2. 0 to b plus 1. How many factors it has got? 12 factors. 12 factors. 3n will be 2 power a into 3 power b plus 1. 0 to a plus 1. 0 to b plus 1, it will be b plus 2. 3n will be 15 factors. 3n will be 15 factors. Find the number of factors for 12n. How to find out the values for a, b and c? This is for 1, n value. This is for 2n. This is for 3n. Divide 1 with 2. Divide 1 with 2. Let me see what is happening. If I divide 1 with 2, a plus 1 into b plus 1 divided by a plus 2 into b plus 1 equivalent to 10 by 12. b plus 1 cancel. 2 5s are 2 6s are. A plus 1, it is 5. A plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So definitely I can say a value it is 4. A plus 1 it is 5. A plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 it is 6. So a plus 1 it is 5. A value will be 4. Let me do equation 1 divided by equation 3. I can cancel out a plus 1. That's my intention. A plus 1 into b plus 1 divided by a plus 1 into b plus 2 equivalent to 10 by 15. 10 by 15 is 2 by 3. These cancel. B plus 1 it is 2. B plus 2 is the next natural number to b plus 1. So b value will be 1. B value will be 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. That means a value, it is 4. And b value, it is 1. A value 4, b value 1. So the number will become 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. Number will become 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. I want the number of factors for 12n. 12 is defined as 2 square into 3. N value, it is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. 2 power 6 into 3 power 2. 7 into 3. Answer will be 21. Answer will be 21. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very easy. If you can do one equation with 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, just by looking at the question itself, you are getting the value of a. A plus 1 is 5. A plus 2 will be 6. B plus 1 is 2. B plus 2 will be 3. Once you got the values of A and B, then it is nothing but a substitution. A value 4 and B value 1. So this will be 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. 12n will be 12 is 2 square into 3. 2 power 6 into 3 power 2. 7 3s are 21. I hope this idea it is clear. If a number has got 20 factors, if a number has got 20 factors, if I multiply by 2, number of factors are changing. If I multiply by 3, number of factors are changing. So definitely the number should be of the form 2 power a into 3 power b. 3 power b. So what will be the fact? 2n. 2n will be, already we did this model. 2 power a plus 1 into 3 power b. 3n will be 2 power a into 3 power b plus 1. So what will be the factors for this number? A plus 1 into b plus 1 it is given as 20 factors. 0 to a plus 1, a plus 2 into b plus 1 is equivalent to 30 factors. 0 to a plus 1 into b plus 2, b plus 2, it is given by 3n. How many factors? N has 20 factors, 2n has 24 factors. These 24 factors and it is 30 factors. I hope it is clear. I just wrote it as 30 here, it is 24. Now, just by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer. These equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Equation 1, 2, 3. If I divide equation 1 with equation 2, b plus 1 cancel. A plus 1 by a plus 2, it is equivalent to 20 by 24. It is 5 by 6. A value, it is 4. Similarly, equation 1 by equation 3. This will be a plus 1 cancel. B plus 1 by b plus 2 equivalent to 2 by 3. B equivalent to 1. Finish answer. N equivalent to 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. 36n will be 2 square into 3 square into 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. 2 power 6 into 3 power 3. 7 4s are 28. Now I am sure just by looking at a question, you will get an idea of how to solve these complex question on factors and multiples. Complex question on factors and multiples.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.